Hello YouTube, I'm back with just a quick video. I was recently out of town for a couple of days and I didn't do a lot of shopping, but I did find a couple of things that I liked and I picked up. The first one you can see is the background, which is actually an oversized throw, and I purchased that from Vera Bradley. And I just like having different throws convenient either in the house or in the car, just in case I need them, maybe for a picnic or, just to keep warm in the house. But I picked this one up. It was only about $12, so I thought it was a pretty pattern, and I went on and got it. And also you can see the Tory Burch bag. I was at the outlets and I just wanted a little something to bring home with me, so I decided to pick up a small leather good from them, and I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it for you so you can see. Give me 1 second. So I really like Tory Burch bags, and they have great customer service at their stores, and they wrapped it really nicely. And put their little gold stamp on it. And here it is. And it's a small card case. And it's in black. And I really like this. I wanted a small card case like this to go into smaller purses. I'm normally wearing larger purses, but I find that this is convenient if I need to switch into a smaller bag. And you can see right there where it has Tory Burch. And it has a back pocket. This is the largest middle pocket. It has one slide pocket on the back of that, and then one in the front. And the tags are right there. And it has the, I guess, gold or brass tone Tory Burch emblem on it. It does not have a pocket on the back, which is fine because I think this is enough if I just needed to grab my ID and maybe a credit card or something. I could just grab that and put it in and slip it inside of a smaller purse or larger purse and be on my way. So I'm going to put a couple of cards in here so you can see. Give me 1 second. Okay. So you can see where I have like 5 rewards cards and 2 business cards in there. And there's still plenty of space. If you want to put something in the front or something in the back, maybe some cash, you can slip that back there. And just snap it together and be on your way. But I thought this was something nice, something to remember the trip by, and just a nice SLG if you want to have a variety of different things. And I want to create a nice collection of different colors so they'll go with different bags that I have. But like I said, I was just on a trip for a couple of days and decided to pick this up at the outlet mall, and I really like it, so I'm gonna start using it, and I'll come back and show it in a bag. But Tory Burch, they really make good items. I haven't had anything from them in a while. I didn't particularly see any purses that I wanted at that particular store, but Maybe if I go to one of the retail locations or maybe a different outlet location, I might see something that I like. But I really like this card case, and I think it'll be really convenient in different purses, or even if I just wanted to grab this and go. Um, but the sides look really good. It looks really nice, and I think I'm going to enjoy using this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.